I don't enjoy so much abuses and abusive content, below the waist humor. No racial slurs, no sexist comments, no slapstick is what I don't like.
Yeah.
So that is that. These are a few things we have in mind when we are making content.
Watch Women Up every Monday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
This was one of those few times where I was like, let's just skip math class. And whatever, she's like, yeah, let's just skip it. So we skipped it and we were like, okay, let's go to the health center where you can get a note saying you're sick. At the end of class, our sir came and he was like, where's your note? Why were you not in class? So we gave him this note from the healthcare center. But one thing we did was the timestamp. It said like it said like 2:30 and we made dash like till 3 something. So that whole period was covered. It was just like a 5-minute thing. He was like, okay, he took it. Next thing we know, I called into the coordinator's cabin and she was like, we don't write this on our slips.
Watch No More Secrets every Thursday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
These ones are Christian Dior's. They're gifted to me by my manager and I love them. And forget about me, I think everybody else loves these glasses so much more. My favorite, Gucci Guilty. I love this perfume. I got this on my birthday. I got actually both of these on my birthday this year. This is the Gucci Guilty Black and this is the regular one. So this one is my favorite.
Watch What's in My Wardrobe every Wednesday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
इस ज़मीं और इस आसमां से जहाँ ना वक्त ना तुम्हारे मेरे सिवा कोई.
True love happens once in a lifetime.
एक जज्बा कि तुम मुझ में और मैं तुम में.
And it takes a lifetime to understand. Watch Mausam 21st April, Wednesday 8:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
वक्त ने मेरे साथ एक ऐसा मजाक किया है. मैं जैन की दुल्हन बनी थी, अब एक अजनबी शख्स के निकाह में हूँ. मेरे भाई ने मुझे बहुत लाड प्यार से पाला. वो मुझे तकलीफ में नहीं देख सकते और मुझे तकलीफ देने वाले को जिंदा भी नहीं छोड़ सकता.
शादी कोई गुड्डे गुड्डी का खेल है. जब चाहे राजी हो गए और जब चाहे इनकार कर दिया.
तुम उनके किए की सजा मुझे क्यों दे रहे हो?
Watch Ajnabi Humsafar starting from 4th July, Sunday to Tuesday, 7:45 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
This is a jacket that I was eyeing actually forever, and luckily I got a chance to wear it in the film. I wore it actually with this, Karen Miller dress for the Love song that we shot in London. I just loved the color. I thought that it was extremely beautiful, and Sanam wanted a bit of a touch of like feminine.
It's a jacket and it's a skirt. So this is something that I'm wearing for one of the scenes in Ram Ratan. So this is one thing that I picked up from there.
Watch What's in My Wardrobe every Thursday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus.
मेरी क्या गलती है?
यही कि तुम उसकी बहन हो और ये तुम्हें जिंदगी भर भुगतना पड़ेगा.
बजाना. Watch Hasina Parkar 3rd March, Wednesday 8:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
आप यहाँ से चले जाए वरना मैं पुलिस को बुलाऊंगा.
दुनिया में हर चीज बिकाऊ है.
आवाज बंद कर और ले जा अपनी आराम की कमाई.
मेरे 36 लाख रुपए मेरे साथ
ऐसा भी क्या क्या तमाशे कराता.
लोगों के घरों में जब शादियां होती है तो वहाँ शादियाने बचते. हमारे घर में तो जैसे मातम जैसा माहौल हुआ हुआ.
Watch उतरेगा ना अब कोई खिजर. Friday and Saturday at these times, UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
दिल को तेरी तमन्ना, दिल को है तुझसे प्यार. चाहे तू आए ना आए, हम करेंगे
ये मेरा दीवानापन है. Coming soon on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
The stereotype of the Indian heroine was a fair, petite girl. And I did not fit that bracket. So the dusky was always prominent and in bold every time. I used to live with an old auntie and there was a water in a Syntex tank, half Syntex tank. So we had like timings of water and I had a charpai to sleep on. And I remember that fan. I'll never forget this fan. It used to be like move like.
Watch Untold Story every Monday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
गुरमीत पहले दिन से मेरे ऊपर इतना अच्छा इम्प्रेशन डाला था, इतना अच्छा था, इसीलिए उसको इधर दोनों को रिलेशनशिप जब सुना मैं, मुझे अच्छा लगा. मुझे लगा ये लड़का इस लड़की को टैकल कर पाएगी. टैकल.
Watch Dear Mom every Monday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
Oh, Alalati. Habi, Wani,